This is what my haircut is looking like. Remember, I went to Ulta to have it cut, and this is what it looks like. I have rollers. These are 10 rollers I'm going to put in my hair. And if I need more, I will go into my stash, because a long time ago I used to roll my hair, so I have extra rollers somewhere. So I'll go into my stash and then I will get it and then I will do the rest. I want to show you what the haircut looks like after I style it. I eyeball it. I do rollers like back in the day. You just separate and put rollers, and if it's not enough, you just add on more. They're the snapping rollers. This is it. This is what it looks like. This is it. And I just snap on snap. These rollers, they have teeth. I know there is the smooth one, but at the store they did not have the smooth one, so I bought these. Snap in place. See, they have teeth. I've used those before. I'm just going to roll until I have all the hair in there. 10 is not going to be enough, but for the front, I will use that 10. It's like you can comb the hair in there, the ends, and then you roll it up and roll it up. They don't have to be perfect. I'm not looking for perfect. I'm just looking for rollers in my hair so I can change my style. Okay. Now on this side, do I do 3 or 2? We'll see. I'm not sure how many I want there yet. Okay, so I take this and let's see if I can show you what I'm doing. I want all the ends in there. So I make sure it's there. See this piece? So I'm going to take this piece to get it back where it belongs. Because again, my hair been cut different into a bob. Okay, let's do this way so you can see. This way, this way, this way. I'm just trying to make sure you can see. I went backwards. That's me going backwards. Let's see if I can stay this way. Okay, let's see if I can do it that way. I guess I'm doing 3 over here on each. The 10 gotta work for at least the front. Make sure all your ends are in. And if it's not, you want to find it and make sure, because you want to have smooth ends after you take the rollers off. So making sure my ends are tucked in nicely, flat and smooth. And you know, on the side, they're short pieces, you want to also smooth them in. I'm not sleeping with this, so I can put them anywhere. If I was sleeping with them, then I would put them up. Like back in the day, we take something and clip them to keep them together, but I'm not doing all of that right now. Always have your snap rollers open and ready to go. Once you have the hair, you don't want to have to let it go and unsnap these. You just want to have them already prepared. Next side, and I'll do the other away from the camera because I still have the back. There's a back portion that still has to be done, and I'll show you the back portion and what I'm going to do with it. And I can roll my hair and start anywhere I want. This is one. Make sure everything is there. All the hair is in. And if when you finish rolling it, you find a piece is missing, just go in and redo it. That's all. You see the imperfection of my rolling? That's how real life is, honey. One way, you go one side and the other side, you face in the other direction. Curls are going to happen either way. I am not fussy about how they fall. Okay, so I have these. I have not used the 10 rollers yet. I still have 2 left. Right? I have 2 left. But then I have all of this left. So I'm going to go fish for my other rollers. So I'm going to fish for my other rollers and I'll do it, and when I'm finished, I'll come back and show you. My hair is now all rolled up. Let me show you what I put in the back because I could not find my other snap rollers in the garage and I don't want to go looking for it now, so I took my flexi rods that are close by and I put that. I only find one. This one right here was in the section of my flexi rods. I could have also used these when they're the sticky ones. You just roll the hair around and they stick in place. I have to find the rest of them. They are in the garage. But the back looks like this. I'm going to shave this off. These little pieces of hair, I'm going to take those off. When I take off the rollers and style the hair in the bob haircut that I have, you will see that. So keep watching.